Alam mo ba na God will never send anybody to hell? Hell was created for Satan and his angels. Depart from me, you cursed, into the eternal fire, prepared for the devil and his angels. Originally pala, ang impyerno ay ginawa para kay Satan and his angels. Hindi gusto ng Diyos na may taong mapunta sa impyerno. Kaya if you go to hell, you go by your own free will of free choice. Tandaan nyo po, God is the source of life and sin separate us from God. Kaya every time na nagkakasala tayo, we remove ourselves from the source of life. And if you die in your sins, you will go to hell. Hell is permanent separation from God. Si God, ginawa niya ang lahat para lang wag kang mapunta doon. He even gave His only begotten Son to die on the cross. Jesus died and resurrected to save us. But we keep on rejecting Him. God is always talking to us. Sobrang dami lang distraction and unnecessary voices, kaya hindi natin siya naririnig. Maaaring mas focus ka na ngayon sa business mo, sa work, sa barkada, sa pera. Lalo na yung pera na yan, kapag marami tayong pera, feeling natin, kaya na natin on our own. Hindi na natin kailangan ng Diyos. Kaya minsan, ang way ni God para mapalapit tayo sa Kanya, ibigyan tayo ng pagsubok. Kasi in those times lang tayo lumalapit sa Kanya. To remind us, to humble us, na apart from Him, we can do nothing.